New challenge here in the studio. We're supposed to find the least common multiple of these two numbers, 8 and 22. The method that we're going to use is the prime factorization method. So let's start with the smaller. And we got 2 and 4. And then 2 and 2. So we have 2 to the third. Alright, 22. Again, we have 2 and 11, and guess what? We're done with that. Now, the way this works is we have to use each factor just one time with the biggest exponent. So that means I need to use this 2 to the third and not that one. So we have 2 to the third times 11. A common mistake that lots of kids make is 2 to the third they think is 2 times 3, and they'll say that that's 6. But no, what 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. And when we multiply those numbers together, we get 8. So now we have 8 times 11. 8 times 11 equals 88. So our least common multiple, the first number that these two numbers will multiply into, is 88. Go ahead, and watch this video again. In a minute and a half, it'll give you the lesson on how to find least common multiples of two numbers.